Welcome to my channel. Linksys Velop AX4200 setup via app, step by step. Step 1. Download the Linksys app. Go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Linksys app. Install and open the app. Step 2. Power and connect Velop node. Turn off your modem. Connect Ethernet cable. Power on the modem. Power on the Velop node. Wait for the LED to turn purple, blinking purple. Step 3. Start setup in Linksys app. Open the Linksys app. Tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network. Select Velop Mesh router. Allow Bluetooth and location permissions. Step 4. Connect to Velop. The app will automatically detect the Velop node. If prompted, connect to the default Wi-Fi name shown in the app. Tap Next. Step 5. Configure internet connection. Select Automatic Configuration, DHCP, most ISPs. If your ISP requires login, choose PPPO. Enter ISP username and password. Step 6. Create Wi-Fi name and password. Set your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, create a Wi-Fi password. Tap Next to save settings. Step 7. Create router admin password. Set an admin password for router access. Enable automatic firmware updates, recommended. Step 8. Add additional Velop nodes, optional, plug in the next Velop node. Wait for purple light. In the app, tap Add a node. Follow on-screen instructions. And that's it. Your Linksys Velop AX4200 is now ready. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more easy router and Wi-Fi setup guides. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.